Mini Thermal Imaging Camera. Compact and portable thermal imaging camera designed for on-the-go use. TR160i model. Identified as the 2024 Mini Thermal Imaging Camera TR160i, suggesting a specific model with unique features. USB Type-C OTG for Android. The camera is equipped with a USB Type-C interface, allowing it to connect to Android devices with on-the-go (OTG) support. This enables direct communication and data transfer between the camera and the Android device. Infrared Temperature Detector. Capable of detecting and displaying infrared temperatures. This feature is useful for various applications, including identifying temperature variations in objects or environments. App integration. The camera is designed to work in conjunction with a dedicated mobile application. Users can observe real-time thermal images through the app, enhancing the camera's functionality and user experience. Color palettes. Offers 6 color palettes for thermal imaging, allowing users to choose the most suitable observation mode based on their preferences or the specific application. The mentioned color palettes include iron red, white hot, black hot, rainbow, red hot, and cold blue. Temperature difference display imaging provides a visual representation of temperature differences, allowing users to easily identify variations in heat or cold. Note: ensure that your Android device supports USB OTG and that the dedicated app is compatible with your device. This mini thermal imaging camera appears to offer versatility and convenience, allowing users to explore various observation modes and temperature differences using their Android devices.